What I have here is a Stanley number 50.5 miter box. Stanley manufactured these from 1909 until 1967 when they were discontinued, and this is one of the cheaper boxes that they manufactured. Just doesn't have all the features that some of their more expensive miter boxes had. There's no vernier scale on the front here like the more expensive ones. It does have the numbers up around the top here that, if you don't know about those, they basically corresponded with maybe what the work you were doing. If you needed a 4-sided box, you sit it over here on number 4, that's 45 degrees. Number 5 is 36 degrees, and number 6, number 8, 22.5, 12 is 15 degrees, and so on. One of the things about this box, you could use a back saw like this in these saw guides, or you could just use a regular hand saw. So if you didn't have a miter saw like this, you had a hand saw, you're good to go. Box is 18 inches long, bed's 4 inches wide, the fence 3 inches high, and this thing will do anything that any of the more expensive ones did. The work holding devices and even the stop to cut multiple lengths the same size, if you'll find you don't really use them that much. They're not that useful. So there's no reason to have one of those more expensive ones if you don't need it. This thing will work fine. It'll do just about anything you need it to do. Now, this saw that I have here, this is a 24-inch saw. It was made by a Vermont American. I don't know how old it is, but I didn't have any use for this saw, but it's just right for this miter box. It's the right length. So that's what we're going to use, and this miter box was sold without a saw. So it was up to you to provide the saw. Now, I have a video on redoing the saw. I have one where I cleaned the blade up, and I also have another video where I made a new tote for it. And there'll be links for both of those videos if you want to have a look at them. There'll also be some photographs at the end of the video. You know, just some close-up shots of the saw and the miter box. Thanks for having a look. Appreciate it.